With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's see the following question. Correct statement among the following are. So let's see the option 1. In option 1 we have second electron gain enthalpy is always endothermic. Let us see this with an example. So in option A we are talking about second electron gain enthalpy. Let's see the first electron gain enthalpy with regards to an atom oxygen. So oxygen gains electron readily because we know that across the period as we go electron gain enthalpy of elements increases. For oxygen, electron gain enthalpy value as it reaches O minus gas from oxygen gaseous state. So that EA1 value, electron gain enthalpy value, EA1 value is going to be, it is minus 141 kilojoule per mole. So this is minus, which is said that energy is released, isn't it? So energy released in this case. So let's see what happens when it goes to the second electron gain enthalpy. O minus gas, as it gains electron to form O2 minus gas, the value suddenly decreases. So this was EA1. So the EA2 value will be suddenly positive 780 kilojoule per mole. The reason behind being positive in nature, here as it is positive, this is energy absorbed in this case. The reason being is that due to smaller size of oxygen and due to empty d orbital, over here it is highly positive, but in the case of all other elements it also increases due to the reason that effective nuclear charge also increases. As we are adding the electron, there will be extra repulsion from the inner d electrons. So what is the reason here? Due to the repulsion of inner electrons, what happens is energy will be absorbed. So option A should be the correct statement. Now let's see the option B statement. Electronegativity is the property of a bonding of atoms. Yes, it is true. In electronegativity, so electronegativity is what? Electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared electron. So in the case of hydrogen and hydrogen, the electrons are bonded, okay, between two hydrogen atoms, wherein in the case of hydrogen and chlorine, the electrons are bonded between hydrogen and chlorine. So it is very important whether the hydrogen is very close to the chlorine or hydrogen. So in the case of second example, the bonded electrons are very close to chlorine as its electronegativity is high. However, in the first case, it is equally distributed between the two hydrogen. So electronegativity is the property of bonded electrons. So it is the property of bonding or of bonded electrons. So this statement is also true statement. So we'll see the third statement. Al2O3 and BeO are amphoteric in nature. So we have to check this option. So amphoteric oxides are those oxides which behaves with an acids as well as bases in nature. So amphoteric oxides, we have a beautiful example of aluminium oxide as well as BeO. So both are said to be amphoteric in nature. The reason behind is that aluminium oxide being amphoteric in nature, it can be reacted with an acid like HCl as well as it can be treated with the oxides like very strong alkalis like sodium hydroxide. So in the former case, it is going to form AlCl3 and water. In the second case, it is going to form AlOH thrice as well as Na2O. So when we balance the following equation, we get to balance here 6 HCl, we have to balance here 2 aluminium and also 3 water. In the second case, we have to multiply here with the 2 units as well as here we have to multiply here with the 6 units and here also we have to multiply with the 3 units. So it is going to react in acidic and basic cases. So however, beryllium oxide also can be treated with HCl. It forms strong and stable beryllium chloride along with the H2O. We can balance the here equation with the 2 as well as it can be also treated with the bases like NaOH in the presence of aqueous medium H2O. So as then it is going to form a complex and stable salt of beryllium, which is represented like this. Okay, so it proves that both aluminium and beryllium can be reacted with the acids as well as corresponding bases. So they are amphoteric in nature. So this statement is also be a correct statement. With this regard, which correct statement among the following are all 1, 2, 3. So option 4 which should be the correct choice because none of these are incorrect. So let us see that for the given question, the correct choice should be option D. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.